The laser dust detection is easily the headline feature. At first, I rolled my eyes. A green laser to reveal hidden dust felt like a party trick. Then I actually used it on my hardwood floors, and it changed the way I clean. The laser highlights fine dust and pet hair you wouldn't see under normal light. It's oddly satisfying, almost addictive, to chase down glowing specks until the floor looks spotless. You quickly realize how much dirt you were missing before. The second feature that stood out is the built-in piezo sensor. This little detail quietly counts and measures the dust particles you pick up, adjusting suction power automatically. It sounds over the top, but in practice, it means you don't have to think about switching modes. When I vacuum rugs or thick carpets, the V15 ramps up power immediately. Then, when I move back to tile, it dials back to save battery. It's smooth and genuinely useful. The third key feature is the Anti-tangle Hair Screw Tool. I've got a long-haired pet, and this is the first mini tool I've used that doesn't jam or wrap strands around the brush. I tested it on a couch that usually takes multiple passes with my old Dyson V8. This time, it cleared everything in one go. It's smaller than the main head, but perfect for stairs, upholstery, or car seats. Learning to swap tools mid-session takes a few days to become second nature, but once you build the habit, you'll use them often.